Unit 6, Mixed Review number 1. What value is equivalent to the expression below? So that statement's simply asking you to do PEMDAS, solve this equation, find out what its value is. So we're going to go in PEMDAS order. First is P for parentheses, and we've got parentheses right here. So our first step is going to be 5 plus 3. So we copy everything outside of our circle, 40 divided by 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 1/4, copy. Okay, parentheses are done. Exponents, we're not going to have any of those in 5th grade. Multiply, divide, we have division right here. So we pull both numbers. We're going to do 40 divided by 8. Well, 8 times 5 equals 40, so that's 5 plus 1/4. So multiply and divide is done. Now we're down to add, subtract, only one thing left to do, 5 plus 1/4. So this really is something that you should be able to do in your head, but if you need to see it set up, we're going to take 5 and we're going to add 1/4. Remember how we line up those numbers. We keep our fractions and our whole numbers separated. So over in the fraction column, we have nothing plus 1/4. That's going to be 1/4. And 5 plus nothing in the whole numbers is 5. So should make sense. 5 plus 1/4 is 5 and 1/4, which is our final answer.